Let's go back to the markets. Mike Murphy with me this morning. Big story is Amazon reporting after the bell. Give us your insight, Murph. What do you got?
So let's look at what the stock has done leading up to the earnings. You know, it's just climbed and climbed and kept climbing. So the numbers are expected to be good. So they're going to have to come out with a number that really impresses Wall Street to stay up here and hit more all-time highs. If they don't, it's going to sell off a little bit, which is also fine because long-term, for the people watching the show and investing at home, long-term, Amazon is a growth story. Amazon is something that you can buy at this level today. You can buy it tomorrow after the earnings. Over the course of the next few years, Amazon is a company you want to own.
You think so?
Yes.
This thing is a solid company. This is going up.
Absolutely.
Tell me about Apple. Now, they report after the bell Thursday. What are you looking for?
So, you know, people will talk about iPhone sales. People will talk about China. I look at more of the big picture and try to block out some of the noise because it's tough to sit here and say that the new iPad will sell X number of units. But when you look at Apple, which has had a really bad 2024, you know, the stock has sold off quite a bit this year, and now it had an upgrade yesterday that got it moving back up in the right direction. Apple is a company that will be trading higher post-earnings at some point. So if you're looking for Apple and you say, hey, now it's down, I'm worried about it. If you want to own a quality company that will continue to put out strong earnings over the course of the next several years, you can buy Apple on any pullback, which you have right now.
Do you mind if I ask you a question about I call them goggles. Official name is the headset, right? Those things. What do you think? I mean, can you really see going this? Can you see that? I just can't see it.
If you notice, I didn't use the word innovation when I talked about Apple because I don't see that as innovation. Or maybe it's someday it evolves into it, but I don't see that's not going to replace anyone's iPhone in the near future. I think what they're doing with their services business is great for the bottom line of the company, but the $3,000 goggles. I don't own any.
They'll be throwing a fit if they realise I'm calling them goggles.
Yes.
They're a headset, right? And you've not bought one yet?
No.
No plans?
I'll let you know if no one's asked for them. None of the kids have asked.
Oh boy, at one point Mark Zuckerberg was hoping Tim Cook could sell a lot of them. Because then people would say, oh, that's $3,500. Facebook is selling them for $300.
I hope on Thursday we get some update on how many of the goggle sets they've been selling. I mean, surely they'll do that, won't they? They're on sale now, aren't they?
They don't always break out each division of the company. They may or they may not, but we'll see.
Well, the analyst should ask them. All right, Murph, stay with me for the hour, please.